this is part 2. And today I'm going to show you how to get your hands out of a padlock. Right. Now, what I'm not going to be using today is my smelly thing. Right, so get them crossed and tucked in. And now, as you can see...
By the way, I have the key so she can't get out.
Again. And there's a padlock there for this chain. Let's try. Right, kiddies, don't do this at home. Otherwise you might break something.
Lucy, you're probably younger than all the people watching it. Weirdo. My God, she can't get out. Her hand says, I love Jamie O'Toole.
Jamie, if you're watching, I love you.
We're not going out or anything because he's near 6, she's near 4. She just fancies him.
I'm moving up to you. Dinner! I'm out! Right, now, 10 hours to part 3, you'll find out what happens. Bye!